Welcome back to PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. This podcast is for the career aspirants who seek compact information on career opportunities. This week's special guest is up next. Rashtrothan Parishad is a not-for-profit social service voluntary organization established in 1965 with the objectives of mass education, Jana Shikshana, mass awareness, Jana Jagrati, and community service, Jana Seva. It is running many educational institutions, both formal and informal, right from primary level to college level, that cater to both rich, deserving, rural, urban communities. Rashtrothan Parishad runs various projects such as Jagrana Prakalpa, educational institutions, Yogic Sciences and Research Institute, Arogya Seva Kendra, Goshala, Blood Bank, Balaga, Sahitya, Mudranalaya, Sadhana, Samraksha and Tapas. Tapas was initiated in 2012. It is a project by Rashtrothan Parishad that aims to enable talented, deserving male students to avail education from IIT JEE. Let's focus on basic eligibility criteria. Students hailing from families whose annual income doesn't exceed 2 lakhs and currently studying in class 10th are eligible for this project. The entrance examination for the scheme shall take place on the 25th December every year at 40 different centers across the state. Around 40 students are nominated as eligible recipients of the benefits of this project through various screening processes. The selected students are provided free accommodation, food, tuition fees, study materials and training for a span of 2 years. This is facilitated at the well-established infrastructure consisting labs, library, hostels and college at the Rashtrothan campus, Banashankari, Bengaluru. Tapas is executed in coordination with the prestigious BASE Institute. The institute provides supreme quality study materials and the question series on physics, chemistry and mathematics that shall enable the students to crack entrance exam to IIT JEE. This year in 2021, post rigorous screening process, Tapas has shortlisted 42 students of Karnataka. Post background verification, candidates need to attend the selection camp which will be held soon after SSLC examination. The final result will be published at the end of camp. It's the time to get some deeper insights about Tapas' journey from our guest for this episode, Mr. Vaibhav Kamath from Bhatkal, Uttara Kannada. Vaibhav, welcome to PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. Vaibhav is at PICE Gurukul Studio for a special postcard series for sharing his journey to Tapas. Mr. Vaibhav Kamath is born and brought up in Bhatkal, belongs to Lakkars Kamath family of Bhatkal. He is the proud son of Mrs. Rupa and Mr. Lakshman Kamath, Bhatkal. Currently, he is in class 10th at Bhatkal Education Trust, Vidya Bharati English Medium School, Bhatkal, preparing for the upcoming SSLC examination and getting ready for the new academic journey. He is very well talented boy of the town, participated and won many prizes, certificates in extracurricular events. Vaibhav, we are very excited to hear your experience. Once again, I welcome you to PICE Gurukul podcast studio. Vaibhav, are you happy by your achievements?
Yes, of course I am extremely happy. I am overwhelmed to get admission to Tapas for a bright career.
Okay. See, at this challenging time of pandemic, schools are shut for physical classes training centers are closed. Still, how did you prepare for this?
Although schools were shut, online classes was conducted by our teachers in Vidya Bharati English Medium School, and I was sincerely attending online classes and revising myself and preparing for 10th standard board exam. I was putting extra efforts in revision during my spare time in the day. I was getting personal guide by my tuition teacher, and so this helped me to reach my ambition and goal.
Okay, great. See, how you got this information about tapas? So, what is the source?
Yes, I got the information of the bus competitive exam from my class teacher, Mrs. Seema Nayak, in school WhatsApp group.
Okay. See, can you tell us about your preparations for this?
Okay, I used to get up early at 5 o'clock, and I was very inspired by my mother, and I got support from my father as well as friends as well as relatives and by my guide. So my parents really deserve credit for this, and I do my usual routine work till online classes up to 8 o'clock in the morning, and in the afternoon I used to study and revise whatever which I have been taught in online classes for 2 hours. In the evening I used to get guidance from my guide for 1 to 2 hours. In the night I used to study and complete the day's work and then go to sleep for 6 to 8 hours.
Wow, what a packed schedule it was. What was your school teacher's role in this?
Although online classes were conducted, but my all teachers are like role models. How just like for example Ekalavya and Dronacharya, Karna and Parshuram.
Oh, fine. See, of course, you have got support from your parents, teachers, and family, as you said. Still, we are very much interested to know some more about this.
In spite of our family problems, my uncle Ramchandra Narasim Kamath, auntie Raksha Ramchandra Kamath, and cousin Anirudh Ramchandra Kamath, and also to my guide who directly and indirectly supported in my ambition. In addition to my parents, they also supported me in financially, morally, and they stood me all the time.
Okay. See, everyone has helped you for your this mission. Still, do you want to give special credit to anyone?
Everyone who has supported me deserves credit, including my God, whom I pray every day in the morning and carry out puja for at least 1 hour. And I am indebted to all them, and I pray to God to give me enough knowledge and strength for a bright future.
Wow. See, the selected students will be provided with 2-year pre-university education with IIT JEE coaching, right? So with free accommodation and food. How have you prepared for this new life and a different experience?
Yes, keeping my goal of a bright future, I am prepared to face even a hard, disciplined and structured way of life.
Okay. See, you are a very good volunteer here. You are the part of various events. You take part in many social activities. But in future at Tapas, where PU education is in CBSE syllabus and training is for IIT JEE, right? So you need to sacrifice many things and focus will be only on studies. Have you thought about this?
Yes, my guide has already guided me regarding my routine schedule in Tapas and at home in Bhatkal. So he gave me 3 points that are schoolwork and study work is first, complete the day's work on that day without fail, and if spare time is there, then go for extracurricular activities like bhajan, drawing as a part of relaxation.
Thank you, Mr. Vaibhav, for sparing your valuable exam preparation time with us. Thank you.
Most welcome, sir.
Pais Gurukul wishes all the best for the upcoming SSLC examination and for your career. Thank you for listening to the podcast by Pais Gurukul Career Cosmos. Subscribe the channel, click on notification icon to get regular updates on career courses. Like, comment and share this. The contact details, mobile number, email is provided in the description box. For information on career, courses, educational institutions, job opportunities, training, please feel free to contact us. Coming up next, our guest of the week, Mr. Santosh Pai, the successful software engineer from Silicon City of India, the IT hub, capital of Karnataka, Bengaluru. He is going to give us more information on BE, Bachelor of Engineering, its branches, scope, and also various success tips. Stay tuned. That's all for this episode. See you next time. Be good, do good. Good day, take care, and thank you.